Hi, this is Mavis Chaudhary, your motivation speaker. Today I tell you very important thing about habit. The seven habit of highly effective people by Stephen Covey is amazing habits. So today I share with you one by one. So habit number one, be proactive. The author explained proactive two type of person. Number one, proactive. Number two, reactive. Proactive, when you focus on things you can change. Reactive, when you focus on things you can change. I gave you some example. Proactive people and reactive people. Proactive people, let's look at our alternative. Reactive people, there is nothing I can do. Proactive, I can choose different approach. Reactive, that that's just the way I am. Proactive, I control my own feelings. Reactive, he makes me so mad. Proactive, I choose. Reactive, I can't. Proactive, try to be responsible. Reactive, always complain. So habit number one tell us be proactive. Habit number two, begin with and in mind. Principle, mental creation precede physical creation. Begin with the end in mind means to start with the clear understanding of your destination. It means you know where you are going, that you better understand where are you now. So the steps you take are always in the right direction. Um, Habit number three, put first thing first. Bring your vision to life. What is the most important thing? Put first thing first. Manage and manage and prioritize our schedule. Urgent, not urgent activities. Important, not important activities. Focus on the things that really matter instead of trivialize. Habit number four, win win. This is very amazing habit. Win. Win-win means that agreement or solution are mutually beneficial and satisfying. With win-win, all parties feel good about the plan. Win-win. Win-win is the belief in the third alternative. It's not your way or my way. It's a better way and highway. Habit number five, seek first to understand, then to be understood. Must be understand each other, understood what the other person is trying to say. Habit number six, synergize. Synergize is the everywhere in nature. If you plant two plants close together, the roots commingle and improve the quality of the soil so that both plants will grow better than if they were separated. Synergize is the mixing of ideas to arrive at a mutually beneficial solution. Commingle together is the most empowering, exciting parts of the process. And last one, habit number seven, sharpen the saw. Principle, renew yourself, your mind, heart, and spirits to maintain, sharpen the saw, personal maintenance. Continually update your skills. Habit number 7 is renewing the four dimensions of your nature. Number 1, physical, like eat healthy, exercise. Number 2, social, emotional. Maintain relationship with love and your family, colleague and friends. Number 3, mental, sharpen your mind, reading, writing and planning. Number 4, spiritual, pray, study and meditation. I hope you like these 7 habits. If you like it, so just pray for me. Thank you so much.